You suffered terrible complications as a result of surgery, and you believe the doctor committed medical malpractice, causing you all these harms and injuries. If the doctor refunds you the money for the surgery that you paid, does that mean that he's guilty and is doing it because he feels guilty and that you have a valid case? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now you have surgery, you trust this doctor, and you wind up having terrible complications. You're in the hospital for much, much longer than you anticipated. And now you need additional care and treatment, you need additional corrective surgery. And as the days and weeks and months go on, you get angrier and angrier, believing that the doctor violated the basic standards of medical care. And now, after you go in for follow-up visits, and now complaining to the doctor over and over and over again, the doctor's getting fed up with you. Finally, he says, you know what? Go to somebody else. Here's your money back. Leave me alone. Does that mean, number one, that the doctor feels guilty about what he did? And number two, does the fact that he wants to give you a refund, does that mean that he's responsible for your injuries? The fact that the doctor decides to refund you money, number one, is not evidence of malpractice. Number two, does he feel guilty? In all likelihood, he wants to get you out of his office. He wants nothing more to do with you. And in an effort to do that, he's trying to get you out, send you off to some other doctor, and now give you back your money so he doesn't have to talk to you again. That's more likely what's going to happen. Most of the time you will find that a doctor who gives a patient a refund is not because he feels guilty, is not because he thinks he did something wrong, but rather instead, he doesn't want to deal with you anymore. And now this is simply an attempt by him to wash his hands of you, to say, please go and leave me alone. And he thinks by doing that, that's automatically going to get you out of his hair. You, on the other hand, turn around and say, the only reason the doctor's giving me my money back is because he knows he did something wrong and he feels guilty. Well, from a legal standpoint, that's not exactly correct. So why do I share this quick piece of information with you? I share it with you because from time to time I get calls from people who believe that they have a valid case, and now they say, the first thing they say is, the doctor gave me my money back and told me to go elsewhere. And clearly he wouldn't have done that if he wasn't responsible and didn't feel guilty for causing my injuries. Yes, we know that the surgery caused your injuries and you suffered significant complications. But the question is, was it because of the doctor violating the basic standards of medical care? Or were these complications a known risk of this particular surgery? And you unfortunately did in fact suffer these complications through no fault of any doctor. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.